Hello everyone, what are you doing nowadays? I think you are doing your best, and this is not my thinking. This should be your thought. You should do your best, okay, for the better result. This is a statement hard work always gives positive result. Guys, today we will start our new chapter, that is packing, and this is so much important chapter, packing. I think the title is so humorous, the title is so easy, and you can understand properly. When a person wants to go anywhere or on a tour or on a traveling, then he or she have to pack his luggage, his articles, his things. So here few characters are whose actions are shown here. So let's start our summary. The narrator boasts of being expert at packing. Okay, and the next thing is that the writer of this chapter is Jerome K. Jerome. Jerome K. Jerome. Okay, this was a novel in class 10th when these used to be English A and B, course A and B, but now there is no course A and B, only single course. So firstly we should know about the summary of this chapter. The narrator boasts of being expert at packing. I think you understand the meaning of this heading. Means sometimes a person thinks that he is expert about to do this thing. So narrator thinks, means he is boasting that he is expert in packing. The narrator and his friends Harris and George decided to go on a holiday. Here story starts that narrator Jerome K. Jerome, his two friends Harris and George decided to go on a tour on a holiday. They desired to pack for their holidays. So if they want to go on a tour, then they will have to pack their things, luggage. The narrator offered him to leave everything to him. Narrator said to his friends Harris and George that don't worry about the packing, he will arrange it. Okay, he boasted of being expert in it. George and Harris behaved like indifferent spectators while he packed the bag. When narrator started to pack the bag, at that time Harris and George started to look and take enjoy about the action of packing the narrator. Next heading is that the narrator packed bag, forgetting, unpacked and repacked, friends amused. Means when he has packed the bag, he forget to pack something, so he has to unpacked and repacked, friends amused. Okay, when narrator had to repacked, then the friends of narrator amused. The narrator wanted to supervise his fellows packing, but he was trapped in his own words. Okay, means in really narrator did not want to pack, but he has said to Harris and George that he is expert in packing, so he has first he has forced finishing packing job. He was trapped. In his own words, it took him a long time in finish the packing job and strapping his bag. Okay. Then Harris reminded him to put the boats. When narrator packed the bag, then Harris reminded the narrator that he had forgotten to put the boots. He was about to close the bag. When narrator was about to close the bag, just then he remembered that he had not packed his toothbrush. Means here you can take enjoy that when the action of packing is about to over, then second remind narrator that he had forgotten to put the boots, he had forgotten to put the toothbrush. It took him a long time in turning over the things again and again. To locate the toothbrush, he repacked the bag. In this way, in second heading also, narrator had to repack the bag. Next means third heading is that reopened bag to take out tobacco pouch. Reopened bag to take out tobacco pouch means here you can say that they were narcotic. They used to take narcotics. Judge reminded the author about packing the soap, but he neglected him. When narrator was packing at that time, judge reminded him to pack the soap. He had to reopen the bag to take out his spectacles, which he had already packed in the bag. Then he slammed the bag and strapped it. Means here he became angry because he had trapped in his own words. Fourth heading is that Judge and Harris packed the hamper. Okay, means then here we can say that Judge and Harris packed the hamper. Then the narrator sat down. Now it was the turn of Judge and Harris. Okay, when narrator puzzled about the packing, then he said to Judge and Harris, then you should do this. They started packing. They means here Judge and Harris started packing the hamper. They broke a cup. When they started packing a bag, then they broke a cup. Then they put a strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. Then they trod on the butter and played havoc with it. After a long time the search, they managed to locate the butter and pack it in the teapot. They also smashed the peach and split salt on everything. Okay, so guys, your today's homework is that you should note down this summary in your copy and try to clear your concept. Okay, there should not be any confusion related to this summary.